the previous lecture I have told you constant function, identity function, okay, and with the graph, and some part I think I have told you about the modulus function. Once again I am going to tell you modulus function. Okay, let us start modulus function. Okay, let function f such that from R to R is defined by f of x is equal to mod of x. So, mod of x. Okay, this is called the mod of x. Also we can write here in other form, when x is greater than or equal to 0, then here becomes x. Okay, if x is less than 0, then here becomes minus x. Okay, learn it. If x is greater than 0, then mod of x equal to x. If x is less than 0, then here becomes minus x. Okay. And how we can draw the graph? Before that, I am going to tell you what is the domain, range, and codomain. Domain of the function f is equal to set of the real number. We are ting. Yani this function will be defined for our real values. Okay, so that's why domain of the function is set of the real number r. Okay, r real number. It means range. What is the range of the function? What is the range of this function? And also here is the real number. And what is the real number? Any positive real number. Our range of the function will be the positive real number. Yani it means 0 to infinity, including with 0. Okay, and this is the semi-closed interval because 0 is included in positive real number. Because we know that also we know that value of the modular function is always positive. Yani this means on putting the x, then f of x will be positive. So that's why our range will be the positive real number. Codomain of the function is equal to set of the real number r. Codomain. Okay. How we can draw the graph of the modulus function? I am describing it here. Okay. Now, x o x dash, y o y dash. Okay. Now, first of all we shall get point. मैं आपको डिटेल बता रहा हूं, आप यहां देख सकते हो ऐसे हो रहा है डिटेल में. यानी दिस मींस when x is greater than or equal to 0, यानी if x is f of x equal to here the plus x, हम इस केस को ले रहे हैं. तो if x is equal to 0, then f of x is equal to, yani f of 0 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1, then f of 1 is equal to 1. X is equal to 2, then f of 2 is equal to 2. Then point will be the 0 0 0 1 1. it becomes 2 2. X equal to 3, then f of 3 is equal to 3, and here becomes 3 3, and so on. Similarly, we can determine the point 4 4, 5 5, 6 6, 7 7, 8 8, and so on. Now we shall plot the point on the graph paper. Suppose that here the 1, here the 2, here the 3, here the 4, here the 1, 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 1 intersecting point. Here it will be the intersecting point, and also 3 3, from here 3 it becomes this, and similarly we can plot a point on the graph paper joining all this point using the scale. So we shall get a straight line. We shall get a straight line which is passing through the origin and also extend in both direction. Here becomes that is there. Okay. And when we are getting x is less than 0, then value of the function f of x is हमारे पास क्या है माइनस x. जरा देखना है बेटा. Okay, when x is equal to -1, then f of -1 is equal to minus of -1. It becomes 1. When x is equal to -2, then f of -2 is equal to minus of -2. It becomes 2. When x is equal to -3, then f of -3 is equal to minus of -3. Here becomes 3. Okay. Then we can convert it as a point. And 1 -1 1, -2 2, -3 3, and so on. -4 4, -5 5, -6 6. Then here the -1, suppose that -1 -2, here the -3, here the -4. Then we shall get a point here. Join the point this line, intersecting lines will intersect that point, and also from here one line draw, and from here one line draw, then you will intersect at here, and also draw a line from the 3 and also here the -3, then you will intersect at point this. Joining all these point and so on, we shall get a point. Joining all these point, we shall get a straight line. Okay, here becomes then y is equal to plus x when x is greater than 0, when y is equal to minus x when x is less than 0. Okay, these are the graph. Simply we can draw the graph such as, and here is this x o x dash, y o y dash. Simply we can draw the graph y equal to x when x is greater than 0, यानी बीचों बीच इसमें 45 डिग्री बनाते हुए, यानी इन दोनों x और y एक्सिस के बीचों बीच से जाएगा ओरिजिन को पास करते हुए, and from also here between both axes y equal to minus x. Okay, this is the graph. Okay, yani this means keep it learn, value of the modulus function will always positive, never will be the negative. Okay, now next, what is the signum function? I am telling you signum function. A function here such that from R to R is defined by defined by f of x is equal to mod of x upon x if x is not equal to 0. Okay, here is the x, if x equal to 0 then it becomes 0. Yani it is not equal to 0 means less than 0 and greater than 0. It will be the, and it becomes when x is greater than 0 then here it becomes x upon x equal to 1. When x equal to 0 then here becomes 0. If x is less than 0 then here it becomes minus x upon x equal to minus 1. How I have written here? When x is greater than 0, I have told you just before it, I have told you mod of x. What is the value of mod of x? And it becomes positive. And mod of x equal to x when x is greater than 0, equal to 0. When x is less than 0, then it is a negative. I kept here at the place of x, mod of x equal to x. When x is greater than 0, I have written here. Then x upon x equal to 1. And it is defined always x equal to 0, then we shall put 0. And when x is less than 0, then mod of x equal to minus x. When x is less than 0, then mod of x equal to minus x. I kept here at the place of mod of x equal to minus x upon x is equal to minus 1. Okay, I hope that you are getting my point. Now from there we can write f of x is equal to 1 if x is greater than 0. This is the one. When x equal to 0, then here becomes 0. If x is less than 0, then here becomes minus 1. Then in this case, range domain of the function f is equal to how much? Domain of function is real number, set of real number, because we are putting all the value of all the values. It means all real number. And here when x is greater than 0, when x is equal to 0, when x is less than 0, this means all real values we are taking. So domain of the function is equal to r, and range of the function f means सिग्नम फंक्शन. क्या है रेंज हमारे पास f of x की वैल्यू क्या निकल के आएगी? what we have determined the value of the function f of x, and here f of x is equal to 1, 0, minus 1, and if 1 is f of x equal to 1 when x is greater than 0, f of x equal to 0 when x equal to 0, f of x equal to minus 1 when x is less than 0. Should we learn? Everyone should be learn. Okay, f of range of the function is equal to set of the element minus 1, 0, 1. Okay, if you are putting x is greater than 0, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on, then we shall get the value of the function is 1. In that case, we shall get the value of the function is equal to 1. When x is equal to 0, then value of the function is 0. When x is less than 0, it means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3.3, minus 3.7, जो भी पुट करो, यानी लेस देन 0 होना चाहिए. तो हमेशा वैल्यू फंक्शन की वैल्यू क्या मिलेगी? -1. Okay, so that's why our range is -1, 0, 1. And what is the codomain? Codomain is the set of all real number. Okay, set of all real number. Now next function is also very important function, greatest integer function, and second the smallest integer function. That function is very important function. And after that exponential and logarithm function is very important function. Okay, function, then you can determine what is the range, what is the domain, what is the codomain of the given function. And many questions are in the exercise to determine the range and domain. If you know all types of the function, then you can easily determine the domain, range and codomain of the given function. Okay, otherwise they will be very difficult. They will be very difficult to determine the range and domain. Here, greatest integer function. Let us suppose that let x be a real number, let x be a real number, then the symbol used to denote greatest integer function, used to denote greatest integer less than or equal to x. Okay, this is the greatest integer function. It means, first of all, I am taking example here. If you are getting the greatest integer, and this means value of the 2.3, and greatest integer of the 2.3, what is the value of it? It is the less than or equal to 2.3. Okay, this means we shall take the integral value less than 2.3. It means greatest integer of the 2.3 is equal to 2. Here becomes 2.4 is equal to 2. You are looking here, integral value, it is 2 is the integral value less than 2.4, and if we are taking 2.7, it also becomes 2. This means if you are taking the value between 1 and 2, between 1 and 2, then the value of the greatest integer function will be the 1. Like this, here is the 3.7, it becomes 3. 4.9, it becomes 4. Okay, 4 is, you are looking, 4 is less than equal to less than 4.9. This is the value of this function. Okay, after that 6.9 I am taking here, then the value of this becomes 6. And after that, until the negative decimal number, suppose that I have minus 5.6, then here becomes minus 6, because what is the integral value? Integral value less than minus 5.6, it will be the minus 6. And after that, minus 9.7, what is the integral value less than minus 9.7? It will be the minus 10. These are the greatest integer function. Okay, greatest integer function. This is the card. So therefore, f such from R to R is defined by f of x is equal to symbol, this symbol using in x, and it is called the greatest integer. Is called greatest integer function. Okay, here the far value of x, this is the, okay. Graph of this function I will tell you in the next lecture.